Hi guys, good evening. What are you doing? Come with me. I have experienced 10 years in office. Today I teach you some fast data in Excel. You can see first example. Type 5 6. Type 6 7. Type 4 5. Tab button use next type. Next cell 4 8. Type 6 8. Type 3 4. Tab next use cell 5 6. Next cell tab use 3 8 7. Tab button next cell. Type 6 8. Type 3 9. Tab button next row. Down click. Type 7 8. Type 6 7. Next 4 5 cell. Next cell click. In click 6 8. 3 4. You can see guys, very time use, but how to fast data in Excel. Next use fast data in Excel. Fast data in Excel. Just click equal. Type RANDBETWEEN. Shift start bracket 30 comma greater than number 99. Shift close bracket, get enter. You can see guys, click plus arrow key. You can see guys, and click next click next click. You can see guys, and control C fix value, control C. Next type right arrow key and paste a special formula use. Value option click and OK. You can see guys, fast data in Excel. How to fast data in Excel, you can see guys.